Meeting with stakeholders of Ogoni ethnic nationality.
I think we had a meeting with the governor. We thought that over the past couple of weeks, an Ogoni delegation had met with the president, and we thought that we needed to also brief the governor of the outcome of that meeting. And we reviewed the outcome of that meeting, and we as a people resolved that the issues that were discussed is such that we required a partnership with the state government. In other words, we felt that the government of Rivers State and the Ogoni people would work together to pursue some of those issues that were raised as an outcome of that meeting. Specifically on the issue of the OML and resumption of oil in Ogoni, we felt that it requires some sustained and painstaking consultation process, which must involve the state government as a partner in this and its leadership in how we will go together to work so that some divide and rule will not be exploited to the detriment of our people. Maybe you might have your one.
That's something. I think that sums it up. But where we are now as Ogonis, where we stand now, is that meeting with the president, meeting with this and that, our resolution is that the Ogonis are resolved to key themselves to the leadership of the governor in setting up a multi-consultative forum, as was also directed by the president, that even if the license for OML 11 has been granted to MPDC, that NNPC should consult and dialogue with the Ogonis. So this meeting today was the Ogonis coming to tell the governor about that, and we have resolved that the governor must lead the multi-consultative forum to discuss with the federal government about any issue concerning OML 11 resumption or not resumption of oil. So we are united under the state government. Thank you very much.
I just wanted to add quickly a state initiative. And this initiative is strictly a state initiative. It has no reference to any other meetings or any other institution. This is the government of Rivers State inviting the Ogonis, having a dialogue with the Ogonis, and the Ogonis willfully, on their own, willingly giving him the authority to lead, and we will follow. And we will have a pathway to a multi-dimensional and multi-group and multi-organizational response to our oil issue. It does not refer to any meetings that have been held by any persons at any forum place. Thank you.
Okay, what we are saying to whatever developmental stride the presidency had agreed to give to us, but totally, before we can continue any other discussion, let the presidency show us that they are ready to quickly comply with the issue of the road, signing of the university, giving us the turbine from the element petrochemical, and of course an improvement on our hydrocarbon high prep program that is going on. But totally, as an Ogoni people, we're supporting the governor, and we continue to be with the governor. He is leading and we are following, but we are not disobedient to the presidency at any time at all. Let him do and relate and continue to cooperate with our government to making sure the Ogoni people are part of this country and not being a people being isolated the way we've been done so far. Thank you.
Okay. On our own, they also asked me to talk to the press here. We are unanimous and we have resolved that the Ogoni people, unlike before, we are no more divided. We are together in the quest, together in supporting the governor of Rivers State to take a lead and consult. We are also asking federal government to consult Ogoni people and not using the tactics of divide and rule like they used before, and we killed ourselves. Today, Ogoni is a new Ogoni. Today, we have agreed that whatever we're going to do it through consultation and agreement. There is no division in Ogoni land. There is no divide and rule. No federal government should divide us anymore. We are asking them to come and fix our roads. We are asking them, before they come and mine oil, they should employ our children into NNPC. They should employ our children into all the oil companies. We have qualified youths who are qualified to take those positions and to be employed. We are waiting for them for dialogue. They should not pass through back door to take our oil. Thank you.
Thanks for checking out